morning, afternoon, forever watching. Welcome back once again to the Mickey Master's, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along. What do you have today? Simple sort question. It says 20 over 5 root 28 minus 2 root 63. How do we simplify this? Okay. Now we have that this is 20 over. Now this is root 28. Root 28 can be the product of two numbers. What are the numbers? Now the number you must take that number, one of them must be a perfect square. That's when you'll be able to take the square root of it. Now this is 28. So I can split 28 as 4 times 7 because 4, the square root of 4 can be gotten. Minus, now we'll go again, this is root 63. I can split 63 to be 9 times 7 because I can take the square root of 9. Now we are coasting home, so this becomes 20 over square root of 4. This can be written as 5 root 4 times root 7 minus 2 root 9 times root 7. So this becomes square root of 4 is what? 2. So this is 20 over square root of 4 is 2. So I'll say 5 times 2 times root 7 minus 2 times square root of 9 is 3. 2 times 3 times root 7. So this becomes 20 over 5 times 2 is 10. 10 root 7 minus 2 times 3 is 6. That's 6 root 7. So we have 10 minus 6. That will give us 4. So we have this is 20 all over 4 root 7. But we cannot leave our answer like this. We have to take the conjugates. That's what it means is that multiply the numerator and denominator by the surd you have here. So let's do that. So this times 4 root 7 over 4 root 7. Now 20 times 4, that will give us 80. I would have reduced it anyway, but let's continue. 80 root 7, you can reduce it before you take the conjugate. That's 4 here 1, 4 here 5. We can do it like that, so we multiply both sides by root 7. Okay, over. Okay, let's do it like that to make it easier. 4 here 1, 4 here 1, 4 here 5. So you have 5 over root 7. So 5 over root 7, we cannot take the conjugate of that. 5 over root 7. So we multiply times root 7 over root 7. So 5 times 7, 5 times root 7 is 5 root 7 over square root of 7 times square root of 7 is square root of 49, which will give us 7. So our answer is 5 root 7 over 7. I hope you have learned something today. If you enjoyed today's class or the solving for today, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse class, a place to be. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next Mickey Mouse class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.